Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. You a good birdie? Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Where's the doggy? Where's the doggy? Gonna whisper, whisper. Gonna whisper. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. You a good birdie. Tarzana, you good birdie. You good birdie. Tarzana. Tarzana. You good birdie. You good birdie. Okay, bye-bye. Hello, boy. Hello, boy. Hello, boy. Hello. Hello. So, this is the dirt ranch. I just picked them up first day. African gray. I think it's a blue and gold macaw. And I'm pretty sure they're right around 25, 30 years old. He might be younger. And this is Tarzana. It's a girl. That's Smokey, which is a generic name for an African gray. I don't know how many Smokies there are out there, but I've heard of a bunch of them. So I'm not able to, I've hand fed them, but I have not been able to let them out yet. The previous owners had food in their cage nonstop, so I gotta break them of that so they're workable. Tarzan, you want this? Hey, you want this? Smokey, you want this? Smokey, come on. Up. There. You want this? Which the male bird doesn't like boys. And I've changed that already. But I'll eventually have more videos. Like and subscribe, share, Dirt Ranch channel. Bye-bye. 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 Smokey. Like and subscribe.